Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Ford Expedition Max. I'm sorry, they're cutting down trees across the street. Tons of room back here. There. Total price comes to $81,705. This is the Expedition Max in the Platinum trim. 3.5 liter EcoBoost V6 with the 10-speed automatic. It's a color name on this thing. Magnet metallic with ebony leather trim seats. I just love the looks of this thing. It looks well, it looks massive because it is. So nice back here. Wow. Nice running board that goes up and down. Second you open the door, pops itself down. Love the brown stitching throughout. It is absolutely beautiful. Interior is very, very similar to the F-150, and that is not an insult. Holy crap. Wow. Okay, that... For retrospect, that's, the steering wheel. Yep, that just goes right in there. Wowzers. Okay. Glad that they kept that separate from some, well, they sort of did. Super nice. You do have massaging seats for driver and passenger. Wireless charging. Without further ado, let's head out on the road. Right now, we are in mud and ruts mode because of a bunch of ruts and now we'll head over into sport mode. Tons of torque from this 3.5 twin turbo 6-cylinder. overall, this is a super, super luxurious vehicle. Kind of meant to take on the Yukon and the Yukon XL with the Expedition and Expedition Max. Bang & Olufsen sound system sounds absolutely awesome. Very, very well worked. It's a good system given the price point of the car, the luxuriousness, and everything like that. Another big competitor of this would be the Escalade. This would be an excellent vehicle to go cross-country in. When you got your seat massaging, you got everything you would ever need. For those curious to what the horn's like, that's impressive. Brake pedals, very, very progressive. Brakes stop it pretty nicely, actually. Even with the size of this vehicle, drives well on these narrower roads here in, I think this is a town in Hingham. Nice little coin holders right here. That's an electric skateboard. That's pretty nifty. See that? When I went to University of Rhode Island, that whole campus was uphill. A lot of kids had those to get them to and from class. And towards the end, I was like, okay, that's a really smart idea. With the Platinum trim, this one is pretty much as loaded as you can get. You might be able to add a few options here and there, but for the most part, this is as loaded as you're gonna get. Do have manual mode with your upshift and downshift buttons mounted by the shifter. And how does it ride? Really, really well. Actually, superb would be a better word for it. The ride is absolutely phenomenal. Overall, yeah, this definitely puts up quite a good fight up to the Yukon, the Escalade, and other big, luxurious, full-size SUVs. Is it better than those? I don't really know. Would I buy this one over them? Probably. But I'd have to compare them side by side in order to give a valid fight. Hopefully, we could probably do Suburban versus Expedition. That would be pretty cool. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.